Hello, today we are going to answer this question from the UGC NET Paper 1. And in this question, we are asked that in a classroom, delayed feedback can happen due to whether it is use of technology or expanded communication or semantic noise or participatory environment. So we need to find the correct option among these four given options. So here the correct option is the semantic noise. Semantic noise semantic noise caused by the sender that is the encoder, and this type of noise occurs when grammar or technical language is used that the receiver or the decoder cannot understand it clearly. It occurs when the sender of the message it occurs when the sender of the message uses a word or a phrase that we don't know the meaning of, or which we use in a different way from the speaker. In a different way from the speaker. And this usually due to the result that the encoder had failed to practice audience analysis at first, and the type of audience is the one that determines the jargon one will use. Therefore, the correct option is the semantic noise. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.